Shandong PEF Machine Tool Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating the R&D and production of CNC machining equipment. Our main products include the woodworking CNC router machine, CNC machine for wood patterns, CNC machining center for aluminum prototypes, and 5-axis processing centers. Founded in 1998, we have accumulated approximately 20 years of hard-earned experience and invaluable expertise in the machine tools industry. This has allowed us to both perfect our product and our production process and offer you the best CNC machines that provide customers with high-quality woodworking and metalworking tools. At PEF Machine, we have established a dedicated hard-working staff of over 200 employees, including 90 professional and technical specialists. We have organized a dedicated team for customer service, which is at your disposal for application advice and technical support. Please consider our team members as your friends. PEF Machine possesses great prowess in the production of CNC machines. We are well outfitted with advanced processing equipment such as the large-scale planer, American Haas CNC machine, CNC machining center, Taiwan Aoya CNC 5-axis milling center, all in our 13,000 square meter factory. The Taiwan Aoya CNC 5-axis milling center is a large-scale professional processing machine introduced specially for processing the accessories of guardrails, rack mounting bases, positioning pinholes for our CNC machines. The machining accuracy can reach 0.02 millimeters, which ensure the flatness of the table. The materials of the table and the work area size can be customized according to customer requirements. The majority of the parts of our equipment are processed in our factory under strict quality control. What's more, the key parts of our equipment are imported from Japan, Germany, and Italy, ensuring that the quality of our products meet clients' requirements, and all of this at highly competitive pricing. The 5-axis CNC machine provided by PEF can be used to process non-metallic materials such as wood molds, foam, acrylic, and PVC. The body is optimized by an intelligent structural design via computer-aided design systems, and we conduct heat treatment to add rigidity and load ability to the body. The tool changer can be equipped with 12 tools, and the tooling changes automatically under program operation in a few short seconds. To keep dust and grime from clogging up the axis of your machine, we use a dust boot to cover the X and Y axis, and the Z axis adopts the structure of a dust-proof box with a double-cylinder auxiliary balance system. This balance system greatly reduces the load of the Z axis servo motor, which prolongs the service life and effectively eliminates the slight trembling during high-speed processing. The table is flat. The mold clamping is firm and stable, convenient and fast. The level detector detects the depth of parallelism of the guide rails and the racks to ensure the long-term stability of the machine axis. The workbench is also equipped with a lighting system, which makes night operation more convenient and safe. Users can control the electric oil lubrication system to adjust the time interval of oil lubrication and the amount of oil. The control cabinet is equipped with a cooling system to prevent high-temperature operation of electrical components and prolong product life. Our CNC engraving machine is equipped with 4 spindles. It is a multifunction engraving machine mainly used for the engraving of wood furniture, handicrafts, and statues. The beam of the engraving machine features a gantry-type design. The body is a seamless weld and undergoes the process of vibratory stress relief. We use dust-free sandblasting painting for the surface treatment process. Because of these, we can guarantee that our equipment possesses fast and efficient processing rates with excellent stability. The unique detachable table design combines the function of 3-dimensional engraving and the plane engraving into one machine, which is highly cost-effective. What's more, the 4-axis gang control system can engrave 4 products simultaneously. Our CNC engraving machine with 6 spindles can be used for engraving and cutting wood boards. It has been designed with a double beam structure. Each beam is equipped with 6 tools, operating simultaneously for higher productivity. This CNC machine is ideal for the mold industry to engrave various large non-metal molds, especially for automobile foam molds, ship wood molds, aviation wood molds, train wood molds, etc. Additionally, it can be used for precision production of molds, such as wood molds, lost foam, and food molds. Our CNC Machining Center for aluminum prototypes is a versatile machining center. Featuring strong spindle torque and a high-strength cast iron work table, it can not only process large aluminum prototypes, but also process lost foam for automobile and wood molds for ships, aviation, and trains.